All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is July 9th, 2024. This is the BYOB Market Wrap Up. Again, SPY putting in new all-time highs again today. QQQ. Again, new all-time highs for QQQ. FNGU. New all-time highs for FNGU. Let's take a look at Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow still in an uptrend, lower high, lower low, closing inside a bullish trap over the 17 EMA. IWM still in the flaky uptrend, lower high, lower low, closing under a bearish cross under the 17 EMA. Let's look at the technicals. T2122, just nothing. If you're a bull, T2122 did not work out for you. If you're a bear, the market didn't. The indice didn't work out for you, but the T2122 sure did. Okay, so T2122, where did we open this morning? We came right down into the sell zone, put in a higher low, and then came back to visit the sell zone with the bears. With the bulls down here, okay? So there's T2122, T2123. I mean, we're at the absolute bottom here of quadrant 4 if we didn't push it a little bit lower today. All right, so T2123 just melting away. Selling may go away. We got the Death Star force field from this 200 SMA, just can't seem to find a bottom on T2123. 3-bar chart, same thing. All right, got a lower high. They're looking for, I guess they're looking for the lower low. There's T2123. FNGU, again, extending the bull flag a little bit further. Actually, even more bullish today, because we're consolidating on top of prior consolidation. So FNGU continues to be bullish as price holds the line up here over a rising 200 SMA. FNGU just carrying the market like Atlas carries the world. All right, so let's take a look at our energy sector. Start off with USO. All right, USO in an uptrend, pulled back today, lower high, lower low, closing under the bearish cross over the 17 EMA. UNG in a downtrend, putting in, looks like an outside day. It's the low here, 1569, low here, 1566, outside day. Lower low and higher high, closing under bearish trap underneath the 17 EMA. I was looking for a 10-minute uptrend here in UNG. Didn't see that happen today. Okay, so there's UNG, did USO. Let's look at precious metals. Silver and gold. Silver still in the uptrend. Inside day for silver, lower high, higher low, closing over bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Silver in an uptrend. Gold also in an uptrend. Got a lower high and a lower low, but closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. So gold still in the uptrend. USO still in the uptrend. SLV, silver, still in the uptrend. All of the Fab 5 still in the uptrends. QQQ, SPY, FNGU, printing new all-time highs. All right, so let's take a look at, what else we want to look at? Let's take a look at a few sectors before I take off. Let's go back and look at SPY and look at it on the 2-hour chart. And we'll look at it right here. Still got that 2-hour uptrend. Just another bull flag today. All right, so on SPY, you can see on the 10-minute chart, pretty much the same thing that it did yesterday. Here's yesterday's bull flag. It was, yeah, that one. It was a move up, and then you can see we moved down, over, and then back. So nice bull flag there. And again, today, did the same darn thing, but we didn't have an end of day rally right there. And another bull flag. So we got bull flags inside the bull flags. All right. So price just popping just a little bit higher. See that? Even though it's a red candle, you can see price action just popping up just a little bit higher there. Okay. So SPY 2-hour uptrend, 10-minute, no 10-minute uptrend. All right. Yesterday we got a nice 10-minute uptrend. Today, seems like they're losing a little bit of Momo here. All right, so there's SPY. Let's take a look at a few sectors on the daily chart. Start off with SMH. SMH, not a new all-time high, but still in an uptrend, challenging the prior highs. XLK, technology, new all-time high for XLK. XLF, financials, still in an uptrend. Got that flaky uptrend taking out this high. Actually, got a bona fide uptrend. Got a higher low, and we got a higher high. Just can't seem to get going past this area right here, 4173. Has been a problem for XLF for about a month and a half. All right? But nonetheless, XLF in an uptrend, breaking the downtrend line right there. Let's take a look at IYT. Here's transports. Is that for real? No, it's not. And right there. All right, so price action. IYT still in a downtrend. We haven't taken out this high. Price action, lower high, lower low, closing under bearish cross underneath the 17 EMA. Transports just can't seem to spin it around. They've been in a downtrend since April. Got this massive, massive head and shoulders pattern showing up here. Even though the market is bullish in the indices, this is bearish. T2123 bearish. T2122 bearish. Just can't seem to get small caps and mid caps moving in the other direction. Just a tough day. Tried to get an uptrend going on SPY. Let me see if I can get that back up here. Come on. On SPY, nothing seemed to work today. On let's try SPY. All right, 10-minute. Playing the 10-minute uptrend, red erases green. You played it right here, and we didn't go anywhere. See that? Green erases red. We just didn't go anywheres. It just popped up and went right back down. Nothing. Sorry about that, but that's the way the market is sometimes. You got the red erases green set up, but it just didn't go anywhere. Price action, you can see the 3 crossing over the 8 EMA once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 4 times today. Crossing over the 8. Crossing over VWAP. Once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times back and forth over VWAP. So not a good day for day traders, but just want to point out Intel did pretty nice right there. All right, moving up. ENVX did pretty nice, moving up higher right there. Let's see what AMC did. AMC didn't go anywheres. Reddit which was my favorite this morning for a breakout. And boy, did they break out. And boy, did they get crushed. So there's Reddit. I did have a nice rally right there. They just couldn't hold it after that. They got up and then they just lost it all. So I got crushed on that one. Got crushed on SPY. Got crushed on a bunch of stuff today. Just couldn't get any follow through. So I'll take questions. If not, I do have e-learning tonight at 8 o'clock. If I don't see you at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, maybe I see you at 8 o'clock tonight. I want to thank everybody for being here. I hope you had a good day. Thanks, Alan. Mr. Powell speaks again tomorrow. I don't think he really affected the markets at all. Today was a mini bull flag, so I don't think he's going to affect the markets tomorrow either. We'll see what happens. I think the main event this week is CPI, and CPI comes out Thursday, and then Friday we've got big bank earnings. As far as the dollar goes, dollar got bullish again. Dollar still in the uptrend. Dollar got bullish from here all the way up to there. So dollar instead of coming back down, it was looking good when it was coming down here over the 4th of July weekend. It was looking really great. We're getting a nice rally, and now the dollar's turning around. So we'll see what happens. All right, traders. Markets, yeah, I think market. Well, I don't even know. They're kind of rallying this up. The index, they're rallying the index like SPY. I hear what you're saying, Alan, but SPY's at new all-time highs. Q's at new all-time highs. The only thing that's not at new all-time highs is like FNGU, T2123. Right here. This is not. But then again, you've got probably 10, 20 weighted stocks inside of, it's a great point, but you got 10, 20 stocks that are just carrying the market higher and higher. Excuse me, not the market. Let me rephrase that. The index. And they're only carrying, and the only reason they're able to do it is because they're so heavily weighted in those indexes. So, yeah, I think the market is waiting for CPI. You do have a point right there. You can see just a meltdown all the way down to the lows. Might as well take this off. You know they're going to go lower if they didn't already. Yeah, they went lower. They made a lower low. So maybe that is mission complete. And maybe CPI comes in and we can get a V bottom off of this. We'll see. You know, indexes keep going and hit new highs. And they're doing it all on the backs of the FNGU. All right, traders, I'll see y'all at 8 o'clock later today. If not, 8 o'clock in the morning. Thanks for being here. Look forward to seeing y'all. Everybody have a wonderful evening.